Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Gold, silver and platinum. We all love jewelry, right? But how do you know it is real and not just shiny metal? That is where the BIS hallmark comes in. Today we are going to cover everything about BIS hallmark, what it is, why it matters and how to check if your jewelry is authentic. So let's get started. First of all, let's discuss what is BIS Hallmark. BIS Hallmark is a certification by the Bureau of Indian Standards, introduced in 2000 for gold and later extended to silver and platinum. It guarantees the purity of your jewelry and ensures that you are paying for real metal, not alloys or fake pieces. Think of it as a seal of trust and quality for your precious metals. Now let's discuss the components of BIS Hallmark. A proper BIS Hallmark has three parts: the BIS logo confirming certification by BIS, the purity mark like 22 carat, 18 carat or 999 for gold and 925 for silver, the jeweler's identification mark, a unique ID of the manufacturer. If any part is missing, that is a red flag. Always check all three to ensure your jewelry is authentic. Now, mandatory versus voluntary hallmarking. Since June 2021, gold jewelry above 1 gram must be hallmarked. Silver and platinum are also hallmarked in certified centers. Voluntary hallmarking is available for other pieces, signaling that the jeweler cares about quality and consumer safety. So next time you shop, make sure the BIS hallmark is there. Now, how to check BIS hallmark? There are several ways to check if a hallmark is genuine. Visual inspection. Use a magnifying glass to see the BIS logo, purity mark, and jeweler ID. Digital verification. Scan the QR code if available to confirm authenticity. Professional testing. X-ray fluorescence test at certified centers can verify purity. Always buy from licensed and recognized jewelers to ensure you get a genuine piece. Now let's discuss about the common myths. Shiny jewelry doesn't always mean it's real. Fake BIS hallmarks exist and some jewelers may even stamp jewelry without proper certification. Always check for all three hallmark components and verify using QR codes or professional testing. Remember, the hallmark is your proof of purity, not the shine. Now the benefits for consumers. For buyers, BIS hallmark ensures purity, safety, legal protection, and even better resale value. Hallmarked jewelry gives peace of mind and protects you from fraud. It is a small mark with a big role in keeping your investment safe. Now let's discuss the benefits for jewelers and industry. For jewelers, BIS hallmark builds trust, credibility, and compliance with regulations. It encourages more customers to buy confidently and helps create a transparent jewelry market. So, to sum up, BIS hallmark is the gold standard of trust in jewelry. It ensures purity, protects consumers, and supports credible jewelers. Next time you buy gold, silver, or platinum, look for this stylish mark. It guarantees that your jewelry is authentic, safe, and valuable. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I will come back to you in the next episode of TNV Academy.